In this video, we'll show you how to connect a subdomain to your Wix site. Using subdomains can help you group related web pages under one main, recognizable domain. For example, if you have an online shop hosted on Wix and want to create a blog about your shop, you can create a URL like blog.myawesomeshop.com, where myawesomeshop.com is your main domain and blog is your subdomain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a subdomain for one of your Wix sites and understand the process step by step. Before we start, make sure your site is upgraded with a premium or studio site plan, as this is required to connect a subdomain. Here's how to connect a subdomain to your Wix site. First, decide which Wix site in your account will become a subdomain. For this example, I'll choose a site of mine called My Awesome Shop. Then, choose the new URL you'd like to assign, combining your main domain with your chosen subdomain. For this example, I'll combine blog with myawesomeshop.com, as the blog I'm creating is about my awesome shop, and I want to keep it under the same main domain. Now let's walk through the steps. From your Wix or Studio account, go to the Domains page and select Add an existing domain. Choose Connect a domain you already own. Select the site you'd like to repackage as a subdomain, then click Continue. Enter the new subdomain URL and click Let's Go. At this stage, Wix will detect that you're adding a subdomain to your main domain and prompt you to verify ownership of the main domain. Okay, we're almost done. At this point, you'll need to follow the next steps based on how your main domain is connected. If your main domain is a Wix domain or connected through name servers, no action is needed and you can click Continue. The subdomain will be automatically connected and the necessary DNS records applied. If your domain is connected by pointing or hosted with an external domain provider, click Go to our manual setup and follow the step-by-step instructions to add the CNAME record details provided by Wix to your domain's DNS settings. Keep in mind, the records shown on screen are examples only. You'll receive a unique set of records based on your domain and chosen subdomain. After completing the steps, it may take 48 hours for the changes to take effect. Wix will notify you by email when your subdomain is ready to go. And that's it. All links and topics mentioned are linked in the video description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and for more helpful content, check out our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.